Ms. Cepeda, you were charged with 2 cases. The one that you're pleading on is the DWI. On that case, you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 30 days in jail with credit for the 19 days that you've done. Understand this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest.
That line is huge once a DWI hits your record. It's permanent. No expungement, no erasing. Imagine having a legal tattoo that follows you forever. Audience poll. Should DWIs ever be erasable?
The rest of your life, you can never take it off. Do you understand? Is this 2 or 1, Josh?
This is what we're pleading on DWI in this case for the prostitution case.
Right, but I mean, is this?
Yes, Your Honor, the first.
We can talk while all my papers go.
Are you on probation or parole at this time?
Her felony case, she's scheduled for a TRAS. I think they offered a probation on her possession case.
You need to be careful, man. You know, if you get on felony probation, you have to live like you have a halo above your head, because you can be facing a lot of time elsewhere. You understand? This case is going to go on your record. It's going to be there forever. What you need to understand is that from now on, you're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases. The other thing is, with your record, if you get pulled over in a car, you need to understand that it's a very good possibility they're going to harass you just because of this. Do you understand? So don't give them the ammunition to mess with you. You understand? It's not hard. One button on a phone will take you anywhere you want to go. 30, 40, 50 bucks. Really? You understand?
Here's the kicker. Guilty pleas are like signing a contract you can't back out of. No undo button. That's why defense lawyers push so hard before trial. Question for you. Do you think most people really grasp how permanent a guilty plea is before saying?
Giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You could be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, it's going to go on your record. You can never take it off. You understand? This is what you want to do. Okay, how do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty? Understand you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine, but I'll sentence you to the 30 days in jail, credit for the 19. Also understand there's fees and surcharges in amount of like $3,500 here. I will waive it, but if you come back on a second DWI, get ready because it's a $6,000 surcharge, all right? All right, good luck, man. I am going to suspend your license for 90 days as well. Run it, CC. Okay, good luck, Mr. Gaines. All right, thanks, Judge. Good morning, Mr. Gomez.
Yes.
Do you have a lawyer today?
¿Tiene abogado hoy?
¿Perdón?
¿Tiene abogado hoy?
No.
No.
Tell me what you're doing about that.
Dígame qué está haciendo acerca de eso.
Trabajando para, pues, llevar mis diligencias cada día. Tengo pruebas, traigo unas copias que me validan que sí estoy pagando.
La única cosa que yo quiero saber, si tú tienes un abogado, si no, ¿qué estás haciendo cerca de eso? Nada más. No quiero saber nada más.
Trabajando.
Working.
Trabajando. Consulté a un abogado, pero se me hace muy dificultoso pagarlo. Con un down
Consulted with one
payment.
lawyer and it was too difficult to pay for it.
How many lawyers have you spoken to regarding hiring on this case?
A ver si lo puedo contratar.
Con dos.
With 2?
That's not enough. There are a gajillion and one lawyers in Harris County. 99% will put you on a payment plan where you pay as you go. You've had 2 different settings now, and you've talked to 2 lawyers in 2 different, that's unacceptable. You need to talk to more. You may talk to 10, you may talk to 15, but you need to put effort into it. 99% will put you on a payment plan where you pay as you go, and you can negotiate.
Puedes negociar con ellos.
Entiendo.
I understand.
Entiendo, pero es difícil. Yo tengo mis pruebas, mis copias de que le estoy pagando mis biles y el abogado se me cobra down
I have
payment.
proof of how much payments I have to do for my bills and attorneys are expensive.
Un down payment como $2,000. y con todo esto se me
Asking for
hace
like
bien
a $2,000
difícil.
down payment and everything else is hard.
You talk to two lawyers only. You need to talk to more lawyers. Other lawyers are different. Not every lawyer is like that. We gave you a lawyer on the first one,
Estamos un abogado en el primero.
and 3 months later, you pick up another DWI. You need to start talking to other lawyers. It's time. I'm gonna have you go to Victoria. We'll have you sign a reset. And if you need to talk to 10, if you need to talk to 15, that's what it may take.
Va a ser que tome.
Sí, tengo un problema con mi dispositivo que no me permite estar muy fuera de 5 días, 6 días, 7 días. He perdido 2 trabajos ya, 2 proyectos por
I have a problem
cuestiones
with
de
the
esto.
device
no
that's
puedo-
I'm
on.
not gonna talk to you about this is why you need a lawyer. But I'm,
Bien difícil ir y no tener quien lo lleve, cómo
It's
manejarlo.
very
O sea,
difficult to get
es
around,
más
not being able
difícil
to drive.
pagar.
It's more difficult to pay.
I don't know, I mean, just,
Okay. Bien difícil.
you
pero-
do not
Very difficult.
have a license.
No
You are
tiene-
not allowed to drive.
Sí.
I know.
That's it. We've asked you not to consume alcohol. Stop. I'm not gonna argue with you. Just take a seat for me.
I'm just in trial on 184th, and I'm on my lunch break, so.
Try. Good job. Thank you for coming. Really, good job.
Yeah, they texted me, and I'm like, I was downstairs again.
Not many will, so. Senor Gomez. Sacaste tu primero y declaraste culpable en junio. Ya 4 meses tienes un segundo. Esta no es una buena cosa. Y te digo ahora, si tú estás manejando, te pongo en la cárcel tan rápido que vas a estar como así. ¿Me entiendes, Méndez? No manejes para nada. On the affidavit, there's an indication that there may be. So I want, and please relate to him and admonish him.
Oscar?
You know, I'm not happy with him. And if he's driving now, it's really going to end up poorly. No manejes para nada. No me importa qué estás haciendo en tu vida ahora. No tomas, no usas drogas ilegal. ¿Entiendes? Si te pillan manejando, hijo de la grande. All right, goes with you.
Counsel for recess?
Hey, look who it is.
It is.
It's been so long.
It has. How are you doing? That's good. I have Mr. Kareem Desalegn,
What's the last name?
Deeleseine. He's, I'm not pronouncing it right.
No, you're close enough. So
Cases of theft and the POM.
Wow, you can hear the judge's patience snapping here. Third bond violation? At that point, it's not just about the law, it's about trust being completely broken. Be honest. If you were the judge, would you even bother giving him one more chance?
come up, Mr. Desalegn, or Desalegn.
How do you pronounce your last name? Desalegn.
I'm not going to play this game with you.
Yes, sir.
You continue to take off. The only reason we have you pick up a new case. It's a third bond that you've got. I'm not going to do this again. You pick up a third case or you violate conditions again, I'm going to go bonkers. Do you understand? Can you tell me where the theft was from, Alex, please?
Target. The alleged theft was from Target.
Then we're going to Target. I'm making that a condition of your bond. You're not to have any weapons. We've given you a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with Elena. She tells me she can't get a hold of you because you're ducking and dodging. I'm telling you, at some point, someone is going to stop honing the money to get you out. Do you understand? Okay, so I'm just no going to any target, no weapons, and that's it. Just stay in contact with you, and then we're happy.
Sounds perfect.
So, all right, come on, man. It's Brown.
All right. Thank you.
All right, don't leave until you sign our bond conditions. Yes, states. Yeah. So if you can file no going to target and then no weapons, please. All
No
right,
weapons as well.
please.
Yes, Judge.
All right, please.
Thank you. Are you ready for it? Okay.
Okay, well. Good morning, Mr. Gafour. Sir, you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with theft. You're also charged with criminal trespass. You've worked out an agreement where they're offering you 20 days on the theft with credit for 8 days that you've already done. Shh. Is this how you understand it?
Understand it's time served, I'll be getting out today.
Correct.
Okay, yes,
What you need to understand that this will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. Do you understand?
understand.
The theft can also be used to enhance your punishment at some point to a felony. If you continue to pick up theft cases, at some point they will hit you with a felony and you're looking at years instead of days. Do you understand?
Understand.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers, the right to be arraigned, charged, read to open court. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you plead guilty, it'll go on your record. You can never take it off.
Okay,
Is this what you want to do?
yes,
I did plead to the offense, sir.
definitely.
I will find you guilty. I will sentence you to 20 days in jail, give you credit for the 8 days that you've done. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you.